Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to construct a range, how to draw a range using Autocad. So the first thing we are going to do is to create layers. So I'm going to click on layer properties, then add a new layer, name the layer maybe drawing or a diagram, or you can change the line weight so that it will differ and weight with next one. So add another layer, you can call it dimension. So we want to have different layers for different objects. So we can give it the color red maybe, and also change the line weight, something like that. Then close the layer properties. So we are going to draw this range. As you can see, there's a length from here to here 188, there's another length here of 24, 27, and also an angle. So the first thing we're going to do is to draw the line. First of all, select the layer, so we're using the drawing layer or the diagram layer. Then line command has been selected. Click the first point, put on the orthographic mode or the on, and then put the length. Zoom out. So I remove the UCS icon. No origin. Yes. Zoom out. Yep. Now the next thing, we are going to draw these two parts. So again, select line command. First one is length of 27, and 27. Then the other part is 24 on all sides, 24 and 24. So sorry, we are going to rotate it to an angle because as you can see, the parts are at an angle of 15. So I'm going to select it and click rotate, and then put the other mode off so that the mode off so that put the angle 15. Then select the other one, rotate, select this point as the midpoint, and then same angle 15. Then we move them. So select again, then click on move, midpoint, it's the reference point, and bring it to this end. Select the other one, move, midpoint, and then bring it to this end. We have the basic part. So again, select line command, join these lines, so I'm going to delete them later. And then extend a bit, same thing, extend this line a bit, you'll see why. I'm going to do the same for this other side. extend it a little bit to number 75 so that it can be a straight line. Right. Now from the wrench you can see there are two circles which have been joined. This circle, there's also this other circle, sorry, there's another circle whose radius is 34. There's also another circle on this side and this other circle. The rest are just fillets, and this is an arc and there is another arc. So we can start by drawing the circles. We have the first circle with radius from the center is 43. Then the other circle, the center is here, whose radius is 34. Then click, select all of them, then select trim and trim this part. Right, now we are going to do a fillet, so that click fillet, put the distance through as 10, fillet this side and sorry the other side, offset, sorry, not fillet. So this is the width of our spanner, which is 20. That's why we have filleted both sides 10 by 10, because we are going to later on delete that line, but until we put the dimension it shall remain there. Now I'm going to do a fillet so that I can join this part and this. So I'll put the radius here on this one side. Sorry, you can see this radius is 45, the radius down is 20, the radius here is 45, the radius up is 20. So here now select fillet, put the radius is 45, okay, on this side. So select this and that, and again fillet, radius, put the radius as 20, enter, select this line and that line, put. So after that we are again going to delete more parts. So but before that I should extend this line to cut. I'll show you the reason why. So I'm going to trim all the other parts that are not necessary. You can see we have must have the spanner. You can remove that. Right. And then use the that line command. I can join this part and that part. Good. Now the last thing that is remaining here is to remove these sharp corners with the use of fillet, whose radius is 16, as you can see this radius here. So that's the radius of a fillet. So select fillet, radius 16, enter, select first object and then the other object. Press enter, the command will be repeated, radius 16, enter, and select that and that. So we are almost there, but the last thing is the arc. So start end and radius. So select start, select end, then radius is 27. So we have our one end of our spanner. Now we are going to do the same thing on this other side. As you can see, the other side we have also same radius here, and on this side for the fillet we have these two circles. One is that millimeters radius, the other one is 40. Then we have the fillet joining these other two, and then we have this other arc being radius of 14. So same thing that we have done there. I'm going to draw a circle. Center is here. That circle radius will be 30. Then the other circle, the center is here. The distance is going to be 40. Yes. Now, after drawing the circle, you trim. So you can select the object, then select trim, and then trim this, because this other end is the bigger circle end, the other side is the smaller circle end. So remove the smaller circle from this side, but you're not going to remove the rest right now, because if you do that, there will be a line that will be lost when you are going to do the fillet. As you can see, for example, if we did that and that, so then escape. If you did a fillet here and put the radius as 45, select fillet, select the object, you can see that this line is being lost, and don't want to lose that line. Yeah, it should remain there. That's why I do advise that you just trim the smaller parts of the circle on this end, and then do the fillet. Later on I'm going to trim the other part. So let's do the fillet. That fillet, select radius, the radius is 45, object is on that. You can see now the line is still there, it's not getting lost. We don't want to lose that line. Again, you press enter, the command will be repeated. Select radius 20, object is on that. Alright, yes. Now we can finish the trimming so that we are left with the spanner only. Remove the unnecessary parts. Alright. Okay, so then the other fillet, the last fillet, to remove these corners, radius 16, enter, select the first object, that you can see the corners become smooth. Again, repeat the procedure by pressing enter. Radius is 16, enter, then select the first object, the other object. It is smooth. Then we are going to do the arc. So start end radius, start end radius is 14, enter. So we can delete the parts that are not necessary. Let me fill that up. Alright. Okay. So after putting the dimensions, we are going to delete the other part. So change the layer to the dimension layer. Go to annotate. Then select. Let's start with the linear dimensions. Linear. So you have this distance here up to this point, being 188. So you can see the text are not visible. So I'm going to click there, down there, then modify. I'm going to change the R size and the text size. You can have it as 2.18. Now have the text also, text height being 2.18, and then primary unit decimal, no decimals. Right. Now you can see it's visible. The other linear dimension is here. There you have it. Then get to the aligned. So we can have this. Like that. Then okay, press enter to repeat the command. Another line. Press enter to repeat the same command again for that dimension. Then we can go and get the radius. So you can get in the radius, for example, this part of the circle is 34. Press enter to repeat the command. This part of the circle is 43. Let's click there. Then the radius of the fillet is 20. The radius of this other fillet is 16. The radius of this fillet is 45. The radius of this arc is 27. Right, press enter, comes this side. The radius of this one should be 20. The radius of this is 45. The radius of this circle, this one is 40. This is a bigger circle. The radius of the smaller circle is 30. The radius of the arc is 14. Then the radius of this is 16. So we have more than enough dimensions. So we can delete the lines that are not necessary. Select them and delete them. This one I maintain them is to help to get some dimensions, especially the linear ones. So you have your spanner. Thank you for watching.